Hi, this is Shep Hyken, customer service and experience expert, and today I'm going to share a tip about the key to delivering great service. Now, the best companies are flexible companies. They understand their different customers' different needs and adapt to them. Now, not everyone is the same. There's a big buzzword in the business world. It is customization. Some people need a lot of customizing. Others don't. I'm amazed when I go with my mother to lunch and she orders a salad. And you think it would be simple, but then she starts telling them what to put in it, what to leave off of it, and what type of special dressing that she wants on the side. It reminds me of a scene from that movie When Harry Met Sally. Just about every time the server says, that's not going to be a problem. Then there's me. I ask, what kind of dressing do you have for the salad? I'm told there's Italian, French, and ranch. And I simply say, French dressing sounds great. In both cases, there was customization. My mother demanded more. I just chose one of the options. In both cases, we were taken care of, without any hassle, by the way. Doing business with any type of company should be this easy. In some cases, you may have to pay for the customization, but if you get what you want, it's worth it. So flexibility goes a long way in delivering outstanding service, and it's the key to great service. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short lesson. Thank you very much for tuning in. This is Shep Hyken reminding you to always be amazing.